Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, this is a wrench. Oh, I don't have any demonstrates how to use it, but there's multiple sizes and then you can adjust it. You don't have to use one of those scrolly wheels to adjust. Just put it in and turn it. So this replaces most of your wrenches. And yeah, so if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you'll help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.